Hey, welcome back to an all new episode with me, David Windsor. If you don't know by now, I am a general contractor in Park City, and we scaled our business from $0 to $15 million in sales in just 18 months. We had zero resume, zero experience in residential construction, zero clients, and zero anything. And we scaled our business in 18 months to $15 million. Something I've been working on really hard is a system to kind of share with you the things that I've done in that time period and what we did at my old company, a $1 billion construction company, and how I implemented those tips and tools and tricks into this company and scaled from zero to $15 million in just 18 months. And I'm sharing all this information with you. And tomorrow is the big reveal. And there's limited spots for this reveal, and there's limited people that will be involved in it. And it's very small, very limited, very intimate, and it's going to be really exciting. And so if you go over to davidwindsor.com, download some templates, you'll be asked to give your email address. When you give your email address, then you will be given an email that explains a little bit more about what I got going on. And that is happening tomorrow. So make sure that you go on tonight and get a downloadable template. I mean, what's in it for you? You're getting a free template from davidwindsor.com. In exchange, you're going to give us your email address, and we're going to send you an email about what's going on. It's going live tomorrow. Like I said, it's a very, very small, limited number of people that we're going to offer this to. And I hope it's you, because if you're watching this, you're one of the few loyal people that have been watching me from day one in this channel. And you know that I'm extremely grateful for you, and I really appreciate you. And I hope that you're one of the individuals that is, you're driven, you're hungry, and you want more out of your life, and you're willing to put your best foot forward to get it. And those are the only people that I want to work with. I'm not looking for people that are tire kickers or people that are making excuses or people that are victims in life. I'm looking for people that are driven, people that want more, people that want to go with zero customers, zero sales, zero resume, and they know and they believe in their heart that they can make something of it, and they can grow and scale a company as well. So big reveal tomorrow. Check it out and go to davidwindsor.com, get a free downloadable template. All you got to do is give us your email address, and we will send you an email tomorrow morning. It goes live tomorrow, and once those spots are filled, there will be no more opportunity for anybody to get it at this incredible rate. So hope to see you there. Talk to you soon. Bye.